Jai Shri Ram. Krishna's promise. In the Pandava Gita, Krishna gives us his promise. He says, whosoever chants my name, I will save him. I will pluck him out of hell, just as a lotus flower would be plucked out of water. Krishna Krishneti Krishneti Yomam Smarati Nityashaha Jalam Bhitva Yadha Padmam Narakat Uddharamyaham. हिंदी में कहा जाए तो श्री कृष्ण कह रहे हैं, कृष्ण जी बोले, हे कृष्ण हे कृष्ण हे कृष्ण, ऐसे जो मुझे नित्य स्मरण करता है उसको मैं जल से, जैसे जल को फोड़ के कमल निकलता है, तैसे नरक से निकाल लेता हूँ. और नेक्स्ट कृष्णा इज ऑल्सो गिविंग वन मोर प्रॉमिस. दिस अकर्स इन द पांडव गीता. After everyone, all the Pandavas and Rishis and Vashishta, Bhishma, Drona, Drupada, Karna, Duryodhana including, everyone offers their prayers and Krishna gives this promise. The next one Krishna says, Nityam vadami manujaha swayam urdhvabhahur yomam mukunda narasimha janardaneti jivo japati anudinam marane raneva पाषाणकाष्ठ सदृशाय ददामि अभीष्टम. कृष्ण क्या कह रहे हैं? हे मनुष्य, मैं भुजा उठाकर सदा कहता हूँ कि जो जीव मरण में वा रण में मुकुंद नरसिंह जनार्दन ऐसे प्रतिदिन मुझे जपता है, वह चाहे पाषाण वह काठ के समान भी होए तो भी मैं उसको वांछित अर्थात मुक्ति देता हूँ. फिर रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, सुनिए. हे मनुष्य, मैं भुजा उठाकर सदा कह रहा हूँ और सदा कहता हूँ. कृष्णा इज सेइंग, आई हैव बीन रेजिंग माय हैंड्स एंड शाउटिंग बाबा, and you fellows are running after tombs and wasting your time pursuing Chandamiya. हे मनुष्य, मैं भुजा उठाकर सदा कहता हूँ कि जो जीव मरण में या रण में मुकुंद नरसिंह जनार्दन ऐसे प्रतिदिन मुझे जपता है, वो चाहे पाषाण व काठ के समान भी हो जाए तो भी मैं उसको वांछित अर्थात मुक्ति देता हूँ. कितना सिंपल सुंदर बात है ना. कृष्ण को मत छोड़ो भाई. कृष्ण कृष्णेति कृष्णेति योमां स्मरति नित्यशः जलम भित्वा यथा पद्मम नरकाद उद्धराम्यहम. And that is the next one. Next promise is nityam vadami manujaha swayam urdhvabahur yomam mukunda narasimha janardaneti jivo japati anudinam marane raneva pashanakashta sadrishaya dadami abhishtam. So he is giving his promise, his covenant, his deal. Actually it's a deal. So you become Krishna's agent, work for Krishna, and no karma will touch you. That is why 1866 Krishna also said, Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja aham tva sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami ma shuchaha. So we have discussed this shloka several times. So the meaning is very simple. Don't have any sense of doership. Don't have any sense of ownership. Don't have any expectation of any reward. And if you continue working with total enthusiasm, Mukta Sango Anahamvadi Dhrutyutsaha Samanvita Siddhya Siddhyor Nirvikaraha Karta Satvika Uchate. So in the Gita, Krishna has repeatedly stressed that if you dedicate all action to him, yat karoshi yadashnasi yajjuhosi dadasi yat tapasyasi kaunteya tat kurushva madarpanam. Offer everything to me, whatever you eat, whatever you do, whatever you yat karoshi yadashnasi yajjuhosi, whatever yajnas you perform, whatever activity. Yajna means not necessarily havan. All service, all public service is yajna. So, yajjuhoshi dadasiyat, whatever charity you do, everything, make it as an offering to me. So, he has given so many direct instructions, but many fools are wasting their time worshipping tombs and graves and all kinds of weird babas. Are Krishna also says that he is seated in your heart. Repeatedly in the Bhagavad Gita he is saying. Hmm? And Krishna is saying that you can be your own guru. Atmano gururatmaiva purushasya visheshataha. Atmano gururatmaiva purushasya visheshataha. You can be your own guru. And because Krishna is already seated in your heart, of course there can be some gurus who can make some useful contributions. But don't unnecessarily waste your time when Krishna is alive. Krishna is the living guru seated in your heart. He is everywhere. In fact, we are surrounded by Krishna. We are immersed in Krishna. So remember this much and pursue Krishna. He will take care of you. Bolo Jai Shri Ram. Hare Krishna.